wash, trying to have a car wash here. Trying to get people. I'm scared. We're trying to get people to come on and come to the car wash. So, car wash.
Come on,
Car wash.
$5.
We've been waiting. It's been like $5. Come on. This is what I do in my free time on Saturdays for band. There's the summer.
Hi.
Trying to get the car wash. Car.
Car wash thing.
Right to the car wash. Let's come on, people. You know you want it.
Hey, come on.
You know you want it, wash.
Car wash.
You know you want it washed. You know it's too dirty.
Ready? Here it is.
Car wash! We got hot dogs.
Hey, you gotta have it. Nice.
Come to the car wash.
Woo!
Yep, this video is going to be long and boring, and it's going to be nothing but people saying,
Car wash, come on!
Motorcycle!
We're gonna wash that chest.
Let us wash your car! It only costs $5.
Come on! Let's go!
Come on!
Come on!
Car wash, people! Car wash!
Hey, you! Car wash! Come on! Come on!
You know you want your car washed. We can wash your bike.
Hey, you! I know you!
Yeah, we wash 2 bikes for $5.
Wow! Yeah!
Yeah!
So where you down here? I'm gonna touch all of them.
I know both of them. I know their dad.
Wow! Come on!
Car wash!
Come on!
Sign's open.
Come on!
You know you want to come to the car wash.
These are really people like the crap. Car wash! Come on!
You know your car is too sexy.
Move!
Big scary truck.
Yeah.
This
Hey,
is
you're not washing that!
You want a car wash? You want a car wash? You want a car wash? You want it? You want it?
Yeah!
Come on, people. You know you want a car wash. Well, this is about the end of the video. Me and Summer here went in a car wash.
Oh yeah.
Sexy, we know it.